Biology of cancer. Hello everyone, my name is Karishma Gupta and we are going to discuss about the cancer. So, what is cancer? Cancer is non-infectious disease and defined as the controlled proliferation of cells without any differentiation. The study of cancer cell is called as oncology. Let's see about the tumor. What is tumor? All type of cancer can result from uncontrolled cell growth of any different kind of cells in the body. The uncontrolled cell growth produces a mass of cells which are called tumor or neoplasm. Tumor may be benign or malignant. In benign tumor, as you can see clearly in the picture, that the benign tumors remain confined to its original place. They do not invade the surrounding of the normal tissue. They do not spread at the distant body sites. The most example of tumor is skin board. A benign tumor consists of cells that are closely resemble normal cells and may function like normal cells. Generally, benign tumors are harmless and it usually can be removed surgically. However, this tumor may sometimes become quite harmful if they are located in organs like brain and tumor. In the case of malignant tumor, as you can see in the picture, that it does not remain confined to its original location. They are capable of both invading surrounding normal tissue and surrounding throughout the body via circulatory or lymphatic system. Malignant tumor becomes life-threatening if they are spread throughout the body. Only malignant tumor are properly designated as cancer. In malignant tumor are derived from single cell. They are monocolonical in character. Malignant tumor is composed of aberrant cell. They behave like an embryonic type, undifferentiated but having irregular large nucleus and deficient of nucleus. Let's see the types of tumor which is generally classified in malignant tumor. Tumors like sarcoma, carcinoma, lymphoma, and leukemia. In carcinoma, it includes approximately 90% of human cancer. This type is principally derived from epithelial cells of ectoderm and endoderm, the solid tumors in nerve tissue and in tissues of body surfaces, or they are attached gland are example of carcinomas. The example of carcinoma cancers are cervical cancer, breast cancer, skin and brain cancer. Carcinomas are developed from malignant tumor. In carcinoma, as you can see, it includes 90% of human cancer. The second type is sarcoma. Sarcoma are solid tumors of connective tissue which are such as muscles, bones, cartilage, and fibrous tissue. This type of malignant tumors are rare in human, about 2% of human cancer. Lymphoma. It is a type of malignancy in which there is excessive production of lymphocytes by lymph nodes and spleen. The account of approximately 8% of human cancers are happened by lymphomas. And the fourth one is leukemia. What is leukemia? This type of malignancy arises from blood forming cells. Leukemia are generally known as cancer cells or blood cancer. In leukemia are neoplastic growth, that is uncontrolled cell growth at the cost of remaining cell by excessive production of WBC of blood. The name of leukemia is derived from Greek leukos word which means white and hema means blood. The massive proliferation of leukemia cells causes patient's blood to appear milky. In addition of this type of cancer method Cancer are further classified according to the tissue or origin. Example, lung cancer, breast cancer. On the type of cells involved, example, fibrocarcinoma arises from fibroblast, arrhythmia, idomoleucemias from pre- precursor of erythrocyte. Along through this, there are many kind of cancer. The fourth most common are those prostate, breast, lungs, and colon. Let's see the general properties of cancerous cells. Changes within the cell, in which the nucleus become large, having irregular size and shape. The nuclei is prominent. In the case of cytoplasm, it is also undergoes changes and become basophilic. Malignant cells have less cytoplasmic content, frequently with vacuoles. Golgi apparatus. In malignant cell, it is generally poorly developed. Mitochondria, there is a decreases in volume with tumor development. Mitochondria shows a high variability of shape and volume. And endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum undergoes a reduction. Second changes which happen in a cancerous cell is immortalization. Normal cell cultures does not survive indefinitely. For example, human cell culture die after about 50 generation. On the other hand, transformed cells culture can be indefinitely and remain immortal if the nutrition is provided, overcrowding avoided. Altered metabolism. Altered metabolism, there are large changes in metabolic pathway that allows cancer to survive in this harsh condition. Loss of contact inhibition. Normal cell growing in tissue culture tends to make cells contact by adhesion to neighboring cell. This results in contact inhibition of movement. In the case of cancer cell, it is unable to form adhesive junction and do not shows this type of contact inhibition. The fifth is reduced cellular adhesion. Normal cells shows stickiness or adhesiveness. Cancer cells are less adhesive. Adhesiveness shows considerable specificity. For example, a liver cell tends to stick with another liver cell and do not other types of cells such as kidney. Sixth is invasiveness and angiogenesis. Cancer cells have ability to invade other tissues. Malignant cells generally create proteins that digest extracellular matrix component, allowing the cancer cells to invade adjacent to normal tissue. Cancerous cells also secrete growth factor that promote the formation of new blood cells. This is known as angiogenesis. And the seventh is loss of apoptosis. For average cell, there is a fixed lifespan of life, that is time to live and time to die. The cell death is very orderly process and it is called as programmed cell death or PCD or apoptosis. In cancer cells, there is loss of apoptosis, means the cancer cells survive more than the normal cell. Thank you.